on Tagaytay, but we are in Taal volcano. And then the Taal volcano is the smallest volcano in the Philippines. And then in this side at Tagaytay, Highland, Picnic Grove, and then People's Park. And the front of the highest mountain is Mount Macolot. And then the side is part of Mindoro, Batangas. And this is the beautiful place. From the Murano's balcony. Can you see all the view, both view?
Nice. Thanks, Ate Christina.
Welcome, sir. Everybody's welcome to Tagaytay.
Galing ni Ate Chris.
Oh,
Pwede siya mag-buhay.
natin makita yung batulaw at saka ano.
Ano ba yung batulaw, ate?
Yung mga malalaking bato na parang buhay.
Ah, okay. Nadadaan.
Ayan. Nakikita doon sa may banyo ni Ma'am. Tapos hindi Canal Cove. Yung maraming bahay doon na nakaano siya.
Ito pala yung family.
Yes, Ma'am.
Tapos yung ano, yung may open na shower, ano yung jacuzzi? Yung may
Jacuzzi, Ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Yes. Nice. Jacuzzi. So, yung parang makita.
Italian tiles.
Wow, grabe.
Italian tiles dito yan.
Nice, ang laki rin ng CR dito pala.
Haba.